I'm out of breath from doing nothing. I've been sick for the past week and a half. Right after I posted the last video, I got very sick with the thing. Me and Vivian both did. First time I've gotten it, it was absolutely brutal, and I have not recovered 100% yet. Oh my god, I left this towel on the Type R. This is what I was using to apply the water spot remover that you guys saw last video. I literally have not touched the Type R since that video, and this is like, that is like on there, so I'm gonna have to get that off when I wash it later. And this is really cool. I finally did it, guys. We finally pulled the trigger. $2,500 later, look what we have. We have a home water filtration system, or for short, a water softener. There's a guy who lives on the street right behind me, that one. He has a red 2022 BRZ. He sent me a DM and he's like, hey, I saw your front pipe video and you said you wanted to get a water softener. I happen to work for a company, but you know, we're really good and I can get you a good deal. So he did, and there it is. So that means later when I try washing the car, the water's gonna be a lot more soft. It's gonna take out a bunch of chemicals that have been in our water, and hopefully that results in less water spots, or maybe none at all. We'll find out.
Did you hear her crying for you?
No.
She started crying as soon as you walked out, so I came to show her that you were still here.
She loves her dad. Hey, baby. Oh, yes.
She led me all the way to the front door, and then meowed, and then she came right here and was like, wow! She wanted me to open the door.
Vivian has been literally turning into a cat.
I have not.
She has been turning into a cat. She meows. Her meows are indistinguishable from Cleo's. Sometimes I'll hear a meow and I'll be like, was that you? And it's a 50-50 chance who it is. She doesn't like it outside, babe. She gets really scared. Every time a car drives by, she like runs inside.
Well, at least we know she won't run away.
Babe, I'm gonna get a buzz cut.
God, no.
Yes, I am.
No.
Getting a buzz cut.
Please don't.
Alright, I just filmed a bunch of stuff that you guys are gonna see at the end of the video. But dude, I have told Vivian several times, babe, you need to park over here so I can get out of the garage. I'm not going to attempt that. Oh yeah, man. Haven't driven this car for a week and a half. I feel like I keep saying that every single time I make a Type R video. Oh. Man, it feels so good to be driving this car again. The main reason I've been using the BRZ to commute to work like 9 out of 10 times is because this thing already has 21,000 miles. Oh crap, I got a boogie. And I'd rather put miles on the car that is worth less, you know what I mean? Okay, so it's completely sunny and it's raining. These raindrops are so weird. And the water is so hard. I see the raindrops just sticking to the paint. But that's Florida rainwater, dude. Look it up. It's pretty like acidic. It's pretty nasty. I'm gonna need to put a fat ceramic coating on this. Oh, guys, I'm gonna show you when I get home. A new modification just came in for the Type R today. I don't know how many times I've said I need to get the Higher Up Motorsports taillights. So I got some, and they got delivered to the house, so. See, damn it, dude. If I would have known that it was gonna rain, I would have brought the BRZ to do this vlog so I could spin it around and probably get in an accident. I wonder if I floor it in 4th gear, if this car will spin out. Oh, yep. Boost leak. That time it only let me get to 14 pounds of boost, so there is definitely something going on. Tomorrow after work, I'm gonna pick up that bolt from Honda, the one that I dropped in the engine bay, and then I just need to take the intake out, probably take the battery out, tighten all the clamps up super tight, put that bolt in, and then we'll go out and test it again. But you know what really sucks? After I filmed last video, I had so much motivation. Like, I had a huge spark of motivation when I went to that car meet and I met, you know, Marco and Jay there, all those really nice guys. And then the next day, I start developing symptoms and I get super freaking sick. And I have this thing so badly that I lost my sense of smell. I can't smell anything. And it's been like that for probably a week now. Is this even on, dude? Hold on, I don't even think this is on right now. I don't think it's connected. Okay, there we go. Those temperatures are much better. All right, so it's at 120 right now. Let's give it a few pounds of boost. Yeah. So there's enough suction that just like normal driving, babying the car, it's working well. There is probably a tiny leak even with like 5 pounds of boost. But it's nothing that's gonna cripple the car. Anyway, I know I don't want to sound like I'm making excuses. I'm just telling you guys my observations of the situation. But I am gonna fix that tomorrow. Yeah, boys. Damn, dude, I've been hitting every red light today. Yeah, definitely not washing my car. Oh, also another thing, guys. For all my Type R boys, it's time for me to get new brakes. My brake pads, when I went to get my oil change 500 miles ago, my brakes were at like 6 millimeters and 8 millimeters. So it's about that time. I haven't researched this at all yet, so I mean, this is on me, but you guys help me out in the comments all the time anyway, so I'm just gonna ask you what I do. Like, do most people get their rotors resurfaced and then get new brake pads on, or do most people get whole entire new rotors along with new brake pads? That seems a little excessive for like every 20,000 miles. And I haven't even taken this to the track yet, so if I do start taking this to the track, it's gonna be a lot sooner than every 20,000 miles that I'll need new brakes. That just seems excessively expensive. Damn, this thing is loud, dude. Look at this. Am I in fourth? Yep. How nice is that, dude? So here they are, ladies and gentlemen. These are the taillights I just ordered. Made in what? Made in China. Gosh darn it, dude. Yeah, I know. I know, Clio. Clio was not made in China, just so you guys know. Anyway, I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm not gonna tell you which version I got, because there's version 1, 2, and 3. But I like them all equally, and it was really tough to make a decision, but you will find out in the video where I install those. Right, Cleo? Right? Cleo, sit. Cleo, that's not sit. Okay. Thank you, baby, you little cat. Oh. While I'm in the office, a couple of you have actually DM'd me on Instagram wanting to see my Halo collection, so let's... Oh, what was that? Was that a sigh of enjoyment or a sigh of... Okay, here we go. Can you record for me? Okay, I'm a 12-year-old trapped in a 27-year-old's body. So, up top, I have a mixture of pretty much all of the Halo action figures. We have a Halo 1, or Halo Combat Evolved Master Chief here from Joyride Studios. Behind him we have some Halo 2 Joyride Spartans. This is a 12-inch McFarlane Halo 3 Master Chief. And then down here we have a mixture from literally every series and every maker. This is Mattel actually made Halo action figures for a very short while. I think only like a year and a half, 2 years, and this is Jerome from Halo Wars. If you haven't played the Halo Wars games, they're Actually really, really fun. And then these 3 shelves right now are purely the Jazzwares World of Halo. It's a 4-inch scale, and they're doing everything from like the first Halo game, which that's what these are right here. This is a CE Master Chief. Oh, that guy just fell. And there's a CE Grunt. But anyway, yeah, I'm just kind of making a battle scene because I'm a little baby boy. And then down there, those are just a bunch of random things that I didn't know what to do with yet. So it's mostly like brutes and a couple of elites in there and stuff like that. And then there's a bunch of stuff down here that's still in the box. There's some pretty cool stuff down here. I mean, like this figure, for example, goes for like 50, 60 bucks on eBay. This one goes for like 30, 35. I have some figures in here that would sell for a lot of money. Not that I am going to sell them. Vivian made a joke and was like, you should sell your action figures so you could buy me a pool. I don't have that much money worth of action figures. This guy's worth a lot of money. Great figure. Yeah, and then there's these right here. This is also Jazzwares. These are the new figures. So all of these have been released in the past, within the past year and a half, I want to say. So that's cool. And then I have some more stuff in the box. The Halo 2 figures, I don't think I'm ever going to take these out of the box because these go for like almost $100 each. And it's just like, I don't ever plan on getting rid of them. It's just the fact that I know they're valuable and they're like relics of a different time. And I want to keep them in the box. There's a really cool Halo 2 Master Chief. So yeah. And I these figures, I used to collect them a lot in like 2018, 2019. And before Halo Infinite came out, the prices were pretty low. So I probably only paid like maybe $25, maybe 20 bucks, maybe $30 for this one. I'd have to look back in my eBay orders and see how much I paid. But it was in like the $20, and now they're all going for about 100 bucks. So that's it. What do you think, babe?
You're a nerd.
Yeah, I'm a nerd.
Don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you. What? That was just making fun of me. That whole thing was making fun of me.
I thought you were making fun of the way I'm talking.
No.
Because I'm still sick AF.
I'm making fun of our fat cat, though. Look how fat she is. You're a fat
got a
fucking cat.
good amount of girth.
Yeah, she's girthy. She's swole. Damn, dude. This just started coming down, boys. Well, anyway, that's really all I have for this video, guys. Just a quick vlog so you guys know I'm still alive. But I want you to know that I have a ton of motivation right now. I just started feeling good enough today and have enough energy where I could film a video. I have a lot of motivation. If you guys are in the area, you want to get together, race one of the cars, or you just want to like go cruise around, or you want me to review one of your cars, let me know, because I'm about to go balls to the wall. My goal for this month, I really want to get back into it. My goal for this month is 6 videos, which is a huge step because last month I posted 3. I'm making a comeback, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this. Holy shit, I'm going inside.